Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. Hope you are all fine and enjoying your classes. English grammar basics, kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. Assertive sentences. Assertive sentences assert something or make statements or give information. Assertive sentences are also called declarative sentences or statements. An assertive sentence. I am a student of class 8. Here the speaker gives you some information or makes a statement. Alright? Sita is my sister. She is very intelligent. These are all assertive sentences. Interrogative sentences. They ask questions. In interrogative sentences, you take information, or in assertive sentences, you give information, and in interrogative sentences, you collect information, you take information. In the first case, in assertive sentences, you give information, and in the second type, interrogative sentences, you collect or you take information by asking questions. So interrogative sentences are questions. Like, what's your name? What's your name? When you want to get the information of the listener, then you ask the question, what's your name? For the first time when you meet someone, you ask this question, what's your name? So here you want to collect some information, you want to take some information from the listener. Alright? Where do you live? Where do you live? Here you want to get some knowledge, get some information about the listener by asking this question, where do you live? So all questions are interrogatives, or you call them interrogative sentences. Then the third is imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, you make a request, make a command, make an order, or give a piece of advice. In all these sentences, you ask the listener to do something or to abstain from doing something or not to do something. Like, please help me. Here you have made a request. Please help me. Here the listener is supposed to help you. Alright? Come in. You ask somebody to come. On meeting you, somebody is at your door, you ask that person to come in. Alright? So this is also an imperative sentence. Also you can make orders. Don't move. Sit down. These are orders. Come forward. These are also commands. So in imperative sentences, you make a polite request using please, or you make a command, or make an order, or give an instruction, or give a piece of advice. Take your food on time. This is a piece of advice that probably your doctor may give you. Take your food on time. Or your parents ask you, take your food on time. Or your friend asks you, take your food on time. So it is a piece of advice. So these are all imperative sentences. Objective sentences. In objective sentences, you make an entreaty. You make an entreaty or greeting, or you just would like to wish somebody with a good thing or a good event or good result. When you wish somebody, God bless you, may God bless you, may God bless you. You wish that God may bless him. So you wish him or wish her. You make an entreaty here for the well-being or welfare of the listener. Alright? You live long. You live long. This is also a wish or an entreaty, or you greet the person with a good thing in his life. May you become successful. May you become successful. You wish a person with a success in his life. You have made an entreaty, or you have made a good greeting. Also, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night are all objective sentences where you wish the listener with a good time. Good morning. That means may your time be nice or good. May your night be good. May your evening be good and beautiful. All these are objective sentences. Lastly, exclamatory sentences. You express your sudden emotions and feelings and make exclamatory sentences. Hooray, we have won the match. Sudden feeling of joy. Hooray. So this is an interjection that we are used here. Hooray is an English interjection word that comes out of your throat all of a sudden. That shows some victory or joy. Hooray! Hooray, we have won the match. So this is the interjection that you use when you express some sudden feelings of emotion. Wow, what a lovely board. Wow, what a lovely board. When you saw a very lovely bird, you couldn't control your sudden feeling or sudden feeling of joy or amazement. So you used the interjection wow. In most cases, an exclamatory sentences carry interjections right in the beginning. So hooray, wow, I lost a feeling of sadness. These are all exclamatory sentences, and we'll study in detail about these sentences in the coming class. So thank you so much. Have a nice time.